was wrong when they said ain't nothing new under the sun, cause everything under the sun has not been done.
What they shouldn't miss.
Don't miss your call. The biggest chance you can take is not taking the chance at all. Like who you wanna like, love who you wanna love, kiss who you wanna kiss, hug who you wanna hug. Latin, white, black, fat, tall, small, opposite attract, whatever, it's on y'all. I came in the game with a hope and a wish, with no bait on my hook, trying to catch a fish, trying to have meals, 4 courses. Got hella ideas but no resources. Don't let them knock your motivation, keep trying. You're probably just ahead of your time, like me. They told me I never progress and become what I am today, them niggas dead wrong.
You gotta be original. Just be you. Just be you. Take a chance to show the world you. Just show the world you. You gotta be original. Just be you. Just be you. Just be you. Take a chance to show the world you. Just be you.
We gon' jump in the ride and let the rims roll. Got 100 pair of Nikes, no Timbos. And no, I never had no afro, but I still keep everything natural. So many people wanna look alike and act the same, but what's the price? When you got no game, they won't let you play. You're too stingy, you shouldn't act that way, cause you gon' have to pay. If you don't speak your mind, you've been a follower a long time. Stop lying and just be yourself, ain't nothing wrong with that. You got racks, you must be on some crack, cause the last time I checked you was struggling. Had a whole lot of bad luck drug dealing. To get back on track like you need to, stop following the crew and be you, nigga.
You gotta be original. You gotta be you. Just be you. Take a chance to show the world you. Just be you. Just be you. You gotta be original. Just be you. Just be you. Take a chance to show the world you. Just be you.
Do what they don't. When they come to follow trends, you won't. You got your own mind and your own ideas. Refuse to be like everybody else. For real. So original, like me. Creative and unique, people love the way I speak. They hated on the son of the man up above. Anything different, they afraid of.
We coming through hard again. We got chains and pieces, new cars and rims. It's E40, Short Dog and them. A lot of hustlers, gangsters, and all the pimps. It sounds good when you turn it up loud. Do it your way and rock your style, your hair, your clothes, even your smile. They gon' love you, cause you so original.
You gotta be original. You gotta be. Just be you. Just be you. Just be you. Show the world you. Show the world you. You gotta be original. Just be you. Just be you. Take a chance to show the world you. Just be you. 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 Be you.
Stop being somebody else when you can be you, man.
Be you.
You, man.
Be you.
When you can be you, man.
Be you.
Stop being somebody else when you can be you, man.
Be you.
You, man.
Be you.
When you can be you, man.